Yo, welcome to our first official ride. And we're gonna have our first official ride today. Got our two bikes. And I'm currently testing my setup. It's a poor man's setup. A phone as an external microphone. Ekin H9R. The R15. And the GPX 125. My bike looks puny. So our ride for today, we are going to meet up with motorcyclists, riders from Pattaya. We are from Rayong, by the way. This is still Rayong. And here we are to find out. This is about the fastest I could go. Oops, down cone. So for this chill ride, we're gonna look for some places to roam around. Can you make it? And not so much highways. Don't like them. Especially this small boy doesn't like highways. I'm not sure where to turn. Wait. Yeah, kanan. Maganda tayo. Yo, dude. Hey, can you rev it up? Yeah. Nice. Diretso na tayo. Well, that was unexpected. Yeah. So we missed our turn, unfortunately, but we're gonna use the other route. I hope it's fixed already. Let's try this turn. Yeah, I think this one is it. I think so. And it 1,000 probably. Yeah. Amazing. You gonna take a photo of me? Wide angle. Yeah, strike a pose. There we go. Whew, it's hot. Atmospherically hot. Here we go. Can you overtake, dude? Can you overtake? Can you overtake? Can you overtake? Can you overtake? Let's try to lean forward, see what it does. 5 kilometers. So basically this pit bike is gonna go against Granny over there. It's gonna go against, I think, an ER600, an MC10, another ER600. There's another bike that's gonna be joining our group today, but I haven't seen him yet. Then there's the R15. Then there's this small guy. So far so good, 90. Probably 80 on the GPS, but since I don't have any other bikes that I could go with, we'll settle for this one. Back there, I think my friend's getting bored. No, it's kind of dangerous, but it's dangerous to be at the back of this truck, especially on these curves. Finally, some curvature. And that's the end of it. Oh, that stretch of road that I could never use. Or could I? I can feel it. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Can't make it. I'm in third already. Pick up some speed. Sadly, on the GoPro or on the action camera, he looks like so far away, but in actuality he's like, oh, 50, 20 meters, 10, something like that. Did I pass him? Did I pass him? Did I pass him? Did I pass him?